We back with another one. Just working on some rust spots. I definitely got found some more holes. But when we get to that, get some more sheet metal and lock in with Dunk Life Customs. My boy Leon, you gonna help me get it straight. Work in progress. A few more there. Another one over there. Some more. They small. Probably just take out the whole thing and put some more, a whole piece of sheet metal right there, or if I can find some floor pans. But here's a process. But she do run. Needs a new fuel pump, but she'll start up and run. She'll move. 70 tray photo. You know how we rockin'. All the way from Virginia, countryside, Westmoreland. Don't worry about the interior. Once we drop that off sometime in the near future, we're just taking our time. Like I said, 9 to 5, 12, 13-hour shifts. Long weeks, short weeks, try to do a little something here and there. You know, and we definitely going back gray, but it ain't gonna be a regular gray. We're gonna try to switch it up a little bit, mix it up. Body solid, surface rust. Definitely had to pull true duals on here. We're going with hitters and all, Flowmaster Series 40s. I had it on my grip, sound good. I'm starting to get better on this. You know, it's a process. I'm not in no rush either. One day at a time. But definitely check out Leon Dunk Life Customs Facebook page, Instagram. Anything you need for parts, he can get them or find them. Dunk related. I mean, he do custom consoles. Just go check out his work. Just tell him Frank sent you. You know what I'm saying? He helped me find this car. And now we're just gonna get it back right. The hood. Look at the dog in the back. Zeus and Pimps. Pitbull and Bully. I think it got air in the brake lines. That's why the brake light is on. Somebody changed the brake booster. Didn't bleed the brakes, but we're gonna get that checked out. Took the back seat out. I'm gonna let y'all know, make sure you like, subscribe on the video. I'm gonna try to do an upload every time I'm off. Videos might not be too long. Recording on my phone, starting back, trying to get in the groove of things. Everything I upgrade or do, I'll show y'all the 350 5.7. It has a 2-barrel on it now, but we're gonna get rid of that and go 4. You know, cam it up, the basics. Fix the AC. Make sure she get finished. Yeah, I just make sure, like I said, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow the journey, because it's going to be a long one, but it's going to be worth it with the final results, taking it one day at a time. 350. You should run solid, strong. Just gonna put a little more to upgrade. I ain't gonna do too much. But you know how that could go. Once you get to a comfortable spot, you want more power. But we'll see how that works out. But that's gonna do it for that one. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment down below. I'm in this dunk game now. It's been a while. You can see a few of my past videos. I've been in and out the game for a while, but now I'm back, fully motivated. And like I said, make sure y'all like something, comment and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And I'm gonna keep them coming. All right, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Just a little bit of moving footage. We back with another video on Just Cause. I told y'all I'd be back. I know it's been a minute, but we finally got that electric fuel pump off, and she back original now. She running smooth, she's strong. This just the beginning, but let me stop talking. I'm gonna keep talking, but let me show y'all what y'all want to see. 1973 Impala, and we just taking it one step at a time. 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing what I can when I can. So yeah, she running smooth, no more electric. All that is gone. All that is gone now. On to the fun things now. Fun stuff for the build. Like I said, one day at a time, one day at a time. All interior is in the shed over there. So shout out to Don't Life Customs for the find and helping me with the build and stuff. And shout out to, I think it's CMF or something like that. They just came and hooked me up. He pretty solid dude. And I'll make sure I leave his Facebook in the description in case you need any mechanical work. Now she's back, man. She's back. And you see, fuel pump installed, mechanical. It had a metal plate. Alright. So next, we're going to do a fuel tune-up. Spark plugs, distributor cap. We're going to make sure she nice and tight. And then after that, you know, we're going to go with the suspension. We're going to do brakes. We're going to make sure we get it all together. So I'm telling y'all, man, just stay focused. Take it one day at a time. No need to rush. But now we can get really. Oh yeah, and I drilled out the lock. Messed it up a little bit. That's one thing. We'll get it fixed. That's a small problem. So finally off the jack stands now. Now for real, she ready to drive. And whoever had it before me, when they put the fuel sending unit in, they didn't hook up the ground for the fuel gauge to work properly. And then we got an issue with the brake, but we already know what that is. We'll take care of that when we get there. But other than that, she pretty solid car, man. It's a process. Wait till the finished product. But I am not in no rush. Like I said, 9 to 5 job. We just take it one day at a time. Every time we do something, we're making progress. Old 350, 5.7. Y'all know, 73 Impala, man. So, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and like. And as soon as I can get these videos out, I think I still got one in the cut that I need to update. So I definitely update that and put it on the channel. So y'all keep supporting me. I'm gonna keep dropping y'all this content. I know this video only 4 minutes, but this all I got for now. I might add it to another clip. So we're just gonna keep on pushing. All right, y'all. Peace.